Alright, we're at Cedar Point. Music's a bit loud. Excited. Been 3 years since I've been here. I'm beelining the Sirens. Siren's gonna start tilting. Alright, we're here at Sirens, let's go. I'm a bit of a rush right now. I just got off Siren's Curse. Man, that is amazing. I got back row. Maybe the reason is this shirt here, of course. Maybe it is, maybe it isn't. Still, first ever tilt coaster and first ever New Jim Macoma I've ridden. Unfortunately, Millennium has not even tested today, so I don't know if it'll open. Just kind of sucks. I wanted to get on it today. This is actually a really good viewing angle of Top Level 2, Millennium, Magnum out there. You can see it, and a little bit of Frontier Town as well. Steel engines. Well, here are these sad remaining remnants of Snake River Falls. Just the trough. That's it. Steel engines has a 30-minute wait, so we're gonna get on that real quick. I was so very wrong to put Hokuge above that in my top 15. Wow. I don't remember it being that good. And I rode it opening year, by the way. Review might be coming. I have a lot of videos to make. So it's been like 8 years since I've rode Gemini, and they're just about to open it, so might as well get on it. So it's been like 10 minutes now. These trains aren't moving. They're sitting on the block brakes. Just ascending. So unless they move these back on the station, the ones they're sending now is just going to stop on the mid-course. And what did I say? Block brakes in action. There's blue. Where's red at? Oh, red's on the other side of it. The more and more I ride Magnum, the more it hurts to ride it. Anywho, not a corkscrew. Ride that, from what I remember, is even more painful. Well, Six Flags is now doing the Six Flags thing. Corkscrew is sponsored by M&M's. Alright, now it's time to go on Top Level 2. Excited for it. That's high corn salt. Top Level 2 is, I don't know if it's better than the original. I'm gonna have to do a lot of thinking about that. It's really good though. Time Ride Gatekeeper. It's pretty good. It's always a good ride, from what I remember. No. And as I said, Gatekeeper was good. Just all right, it's good.
And this kid was
just finished a rewrite on Siren's Curse. Might be Rigger next. I don't see a train running, but I have seen them running, so I think it's been open all day.
Oh, isn't that one that goes upside down? We already stole that train.
Rigger isn't actually that rough. Pretty good. I just noticed this, but actually there's a little bit of Mantis' paint showing like right around here due to the green paint from Rigger fading. So Cedar Point now sells like probably the best mellow yellow flavor I've ever had. It's called Top Thrill Chill or something. It's orange, lemonade, and cherry. Mellow yellow, like all mixed together. It's really good. That concludes my day at Cedar Point. This is Coast Aviation, and I will see you in the next video.